Welcome to 30 Days to Build an AI. Every day we'll spend just around 10 minutes building step by step, and best of all, it's completely free. Day 10. Today, we're giving our AI a voice so it can speak its answers out loud. But just not our AI. Do you remember our Cowsay cow? Well, today she will speak out loud. If you're excited to build along with me, let's train YouTube together. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a single day. Let's open up our Ubuntu server. Start typing Ubuntu in the search bar, and when it appears in your menu, just click on it. Remember Ctrl+ if you want to make the font bigger. So as always, we will start by installing our updates. Remember sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Why? Nano is the built-in text editor in Linux. It's quick, lightweight, and perfect for editing files right in the terminal. But the real magic comes from learning a few keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and keep your workflow smooth. Let's go through some of my favorites. CTRL K cuts from the cursor to the end of the line. Think of it like a text guillotine, gone in one key press. CTRL W starts a search in Nano, perfect when you can't be bothered scrolling to find what you need. Alt W repeats your last search, saves you from retyping the same thing over and over. So moving on, let's install Espeak. Sudo apt install. Why Espeak? Now let's try some things out. First, let's give the terminal a voice all by itself. Just type Espeak hello from Linux and listen to it talk back.
Hello from Linux.
Next, remember our Cowsay cow. Let's make it speak. Type echo moo, I'm talking, T greater than Cowsay greater than Espeak.
Moo, I'm a talking cow.
And finally, the full upgrade, a fortune-telling cow. The fortune command picks something witty, the cow says it, and Espeak makes sure you hear it too. Type fortune, T greater than Cowsay greater than Espeak.
Q, why is Christmas just like a day at the office? A, you do all of the work and the fat guy in the suit gets all the credit.
Hopefully you enjoyed those and get to spend some more time on them. Now let's get back to our AI and giving them a voice. Let's open up Open Web UI. First, the built-in TTS. Go to U profile icon and then Settings. Click on Audio, toggle TTS on. If you click on the down arrow where voices can be selected, you will see there is a choice of 3. Click on Save. Now I'm going to ask Codebeard the Curious for a limerick about pirates.
A matey, listen close to me. A limerick I'll weave for ye. Bout a parrot and a ken that sailed on the 7 seas, stealing grog with laughter free.
I'm sure we all agree he doesn't sound much like a pirate. Go back to Settings and change the text-to-speech engine from default to Kokoro browser. Before it downloads, you'll need to select the D-type. For D-types, think of it like this. FP32 is the best quality but slowest. FP16 is a good balance. Q8 is smaller and faster, and Q4 is the smallest and fastest, but with the worst quality. I'm going to select FP32. Once it's loaded, you can choose a voice from the list provided, and then just test it with a sentence or two in your AI.
Our matey, you be looking for the list of fresh produce, aye. Well, here be them apples, bananas, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and garlic you be seeking, one right as rain.
It still sounds like I've got the poshest pirate going, so I'm going to head over to 11 Labs and find myself a free voice. Open a new browser tab and go to 11labs.io. If you don't already have an account, sign up for free using your email, Google, or GitHub account. Once logged in, head to the Voices section. Browse through the available voices or search for one you like. Click on a voice to preview how it sounds.
Gruff old man's voice, slow and rough. Perfect for hard-edged loners, tough grandfathers, grizzled cowboys, or old storytellers.
I'm looking for an old man sounding voice that's what I imagine pirates to sound like. An API key is like your VIP pass to an app's backstage. It proves you're allowed in and tells the system what you can and can't do. If someone else gets it, they can run wild on your account, so keep it locked up like your Netflix password. Go to your 11 Labs profile settings and find the API keys section. Copy or create your API key. This is what lets Open Web UI connect to 11 Labs. Only give your API key the access it needs. For our setup, that means ticking text-to-speech, pronunciation dictionaries, voices, voice generation, and models. This keeps your key secure while still letting your AI speak in style. Back in Open Web UI, go to Admin Panel and select Settings, then Audio, scroll down to Text-to-Speech. Select 11 Labs as the engine. Paste your API key. Click on Save. Do a hard refresho for your browser control. Shift-R. Then you will see and down arrow appear in the model box. Select your model. Then an arrow will appear in the voice drop-down for you to select your voice. Click on Save. Refresh your browser once more. Then listen to your AI again.
Matey, listen close to me. A limerick I'll weave for ye, bout a parrot and a keg that sailed on the 7 seas, stealing grog with laughter free. Sources. No source provided, created by Codebeard the Curious.
Today, we went from making our terminal talk with Espeak and Cowsay to hooking that voice up to our AI. We started small, making our Cowsay silly things, then leveled up with a talking AI in Open Web UI. From terminal chuckles to full-on AI chatter, we've given our project a real voice. That's it for day 10, from a talking cow in the terminal to our fully chatty AI. Tomorrow, we'll make it look just as good as it sounds by personalizing our Open Web UI. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next step in our AI adventure.